Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see 1J. This is a studio apartment that's located on the first floor of the building. Let's go on inside. On your kitchen, when you come in, you'll have your microwave, your electric oven and range, and your refrigerator. You'll have a nice large hall closet. In the living space, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture, a bookshelf, a full-size bed, a dresser, and a desk and a desk chair. One unique feature of this building is the nice high ceilings and a tall bank of windows that will let lots of light in, even if you have a slightly obstructed view here on the first floor. Every unit is air conditioned and has a heating element. Another unique feature of our buildings is our intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Finishing in the bathroom, it's a nice large bathroom with a full shower and tub combo and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today of Cityview 1J. Call us today for availability.